Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. I did a video a while ago of hauling the compost from the compost pile and putting it on the rows here, and that's what I'm going to till in. The edge rows and the middle one. So let's give them a pass and see how the tiller works and how I can get that compost worked in. I think I found the culprit. Hope you can see this. There is a piece of brick or rock in here. And what that is, it stops the tines from going around. So this has been removed. If I'm lucky, that's all it is. This is the first of 4 gardens that I'll be tilling in this video today. If you watch closely, you'll notice that I'm not tilling the entire garden. I'm just focusing on the rows. That's part of a deliberate strategy that I switched over to several years ago. At one time, I would till all 4 of the regular gardens all the way over, and then make rows one at a time and plant my garden accordingly. But then I decided that I would make regular rows on a permanent basis and just leave them there with walkways on a permanent basis. Then those regular garden rows turned into raised beds over time, and that's where we are today. So what you'll see in gardens 1 and 2 are 3 rows in each. And in garden 3, I have 6 rows going down that one, and garden 4 has 3 rows. So now it's 15 rows in those 4 gardens. And they get special attention. They get the compost, they get the fertilizer, and in between, that becomes the walkway. And we'll call it a wrap. I'm not sure how this clip is going to be used, where, when, or how, but I do want to say what I try to do is show a variety of things going on here up on Popeye Hill. Right now it's a lot of gardening work, and it will be probably for the next month or 2. But there's other things too that I'll be involved with that I want to show you about. So thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe.